Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. Pretty heavy guy. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, and check out. I'll ship this to you fast. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Where's this coming from? Oh, it's a Huanuo dual monitor mount stand. Oh boy. This should be a fun little project to do. All you gamers out there. And plus you can use these for other things, for like multitasking. Checking on your Bitcoin and stuff like that. And for your social media feeds and all that good stuff. It's always good to have an extra monitor. Oh man. Here we go. Cut there. Cut there. Here we go. We got the manual, gas spring, aluminum, LCD monitor desk mount. Oh boy. And it tells you how to set it up. And we'll show you what they look like. Some parts in there. We got the arm. Right there. Go. That is what it looks like. One of the pieces. You got a bunch of screws here, all labeled. And got some brackets. Others. Alright, I'm gonna go set this up downstairs and be right back.